Hi, this is my Android 2.2 mid 8-inch touchscreen thing. I bought this from DinoDirect and it's not working properly, so DinoDirect want me to show the problems with this. We'll just open it up. This is the device. Right, looks pretty good. We'll just turn it on and get it booting up. In the meantime, there's the ad for it here. Okay, it says it's an Android 2.2 tablet, PC, iPad, mid 8-inch TFT touchscreen. Now the problem with it is it's supposed to be a multi-touch. So if we go down here and where am I? And we do a search for multi, right? We'll see here that it says multi-language. Next, where are we here? Okay, it says revolutionary Android 2.2 tablet PC, revolutionary 8-inch multi-touch internet multimedia. Okay, we'll keep going. Multimedia. Okay, it says incredibly responsive 8-inch multi-touch screen with just the touch of a finger. Alright, so what should we be able to do with it? Well, it says here in its section about zooming in and out. Amazing photo album. Zoom in and out by multi-touch. Rotate your fingers by rotating your tablet PC. Okay, so it should be able to multi-touch by zooming in and out. So we'll see whether that's actually correct. You got that zoomed in, right, Michelle?
Not really, I don't know. Is that good?
I don't know. Okay, now we'll go to a gallery of a photo. Okay, so I should be able to just zoom in by multi-touch. But as you see, it doesn't do it. Instead it's got the plus and minus here for alright. So it will not zoom in by multi-touch. So we'll just get out of there and we'll go to maps. Once again, you should be able to zoom by multi-touch. Alright. The only way to zoom it is to basically press the plus or minus button. If you try to zoom with multi-touch, it just drags it all over the place. So we'll just get out of there. Now we'll do a multi-touch test. Okay, test 1. Right, touch the screen for multi-touch support. Right, so it shows. Right, that's it says up here, that's the first one. So I'll just touch it with my finger. Now I'll touch the second one. It goes away. Has no support for a second touch. In fact, if you touch it, it starts to skip across to the second one. Okay, so that test shows that it's not multi-touch. So I'll go back and we'll try multi-touch tester. Now this one shows that it's got one test point. Okay, I'll put my finger up there, I'll touch it. Oh, see, it just goes away as soon as you touch it with a second touch. I'll just use my finger. So clearly it only has one touch capabilities. So there's another one yet. Touch test. Okay, so we got one test point there. As soon as you touch it with second place, it locks up. Okay, so we'll touch it over here. I'll bring my finger on. Clearly it doesn't support 2. As soon as you press over here it starts to swirl across. Clearly it is not a multi-touch screen. Now DinoDirect sell this as a multi-touch, however clearly it is not multi-touch. So I'll send this video, I'll put this video on YouTube and send DinoDirect a link to this so that they can see that it is not multi-touch, and we'll take it from there and see what DinoDirect want to do about it. Thanks, bye.